Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can completely remove the Scala from your MacBook. So to check if the version of Scala has been already installed into your system or not, just type Scala C. So for Scala compiler version, so you can see I have got 3.3.0 as the Scala compiler version in my Mac. So to remove that, so the first thing is we just have to remove the environment configuration. So what we can do is just type nano.z profile. So you can see this kind of path here. So if you are not able to see this, so you can just do the same thing for .zshrc. So you might see there. So once you do that, so we just have to go into this path. So for that, let me just again type command and N to open the new tab of this terminal. So what we have to do is we just have to remove this Coursier directory from this one. So let me just bigger, so we just have to remove this one. So let me just type ls here, and we just have to go into cd/users/my name library. Just press on tab only, so just support slash just press on tab. So just type two words and press on tab and just click enter. So let me just type cd dot so that we can just go into the application support only. So we just have to remove this Coursier folder. So for that, just type rm and just type -r and just type COURSIER and just click enter. So now this should have removed that Coursier. So if you just type ls again, I think I won't be able to see the Coursier here. And also, similarly, let me just remove this one as well. So let me just remove this one. So once you delete this one, so you can just write out by pressing Ctrl and O and just click enter and just type Ctrl and X. So just type source and .z profile and just click enter. So what this will do is this will refresh the environment. So let me just close this one. Now if I just type Scala C version, so you can see the Scala has been successfully uninstalled from our system because it's showing something like command not found. So this is how you basically remove Scala from your system. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.